So I've put together a Kne'x V6 supercharged engine. So this is, I'm going to turn it on so you can see it running. So down here you have your fan to cool the engine. You have your alternator here. You have your exhaust to the side, both sides. Your supercharger at the top. You have your camshaft right here. And just some more idler gears. And you have your pistons down in here. I'm going to try showing it. Here's one of them. I'm going to lift the engine so you can see. Same on the other side. You got your ignition wires over here. In the back, it's just your motor and a bunch of moving parts. You can see from this angle, you can get a lot of the moving parts in the camera. And there's your crankshaft. And that's pretty much it.